Hello everyone, Nivedita is here by taking a video on the topic immune system. Okay, so this is a topic of class 12th biology, and in this system means immune system we will study its types and how they work. Okay, everyone knows immune system means the system which provides us protection from the foreign bodies, means pathogens or any kind of antigens. So it is a defense system of our body. So there are it works in two different ways, and two different immune systems are there. Humoral immune system, and one more is cell mediated immune system. So humoral immune system means this system or this immune operates by the production of formation of antibodies. Okay, and humoral means actually liquid, some kind of fluid. Okay, so antibodies are produced, and these antibodies are circulated in the blood as well as in the lymph, and these antibodies react with specific antigen, means they are specific and will just act on the specific antigen as well, and they promote their means antigens destruction. Okay, so this way it works. So humoral means that is fluid. And the second type of immune system is cell mediated immune system, and this operates by the production of lymphocyte cells. Its name is cells. Okay, so you can keep in mind that lymphocytes and macrophages, these are the cells. So this is operated by the production of some specific cells. So these cells move in the blood and the tissues and destroy the pathogen. So in the cell mediated immune system, circulating antibodies are not found. Okay, they are not based on antibodies production, they are based on the production of cells. Okay, now in detail we will study B cells. Okay, B cells, which cells? These are lymphocyte cells. Okay, B lymphocyte cells. There would be T lymphocyte cells as well. So B cells, so how they work? So when antigen enters the tissue, these B cells, they are stimulated and they produce the antibodies, and the antibodies are also called as immunoglobulins. In the previous video I have explained this. Okay, the body contains specific B cells to recognize the specific antigen, and they circulate into the body fluids. Okay, once antigen specific B cells is stimulated by the antigen, then it multiplies very rapidly to form a clone of plasma cells, and these plasma cells enter back to B lymphocytes and remains in the lymphocyte tissues as memory cells. The antibodies, they combine with the antigen and produce a complex for inducing antigen destruction. Now T cells. T cells respond to antigen by producing a clone of T cells. Okay, this is a difference as well. B cells give response by producing the antibodies, and whereas T cells respond to antigen by producing the clone of T cells, and each T cell recognize a specific antigen. The body contains separate T cells for every antigen that invades the body. Means there are different types of T cells. So first type is killer T cells. These cells cause direct destruction of antigen by release of some proteins. Okay, and they migrate to the site of invasion, means from where the antigens enter or the pathogens enter, and they release chemicals, and these chemicals attract phagocytes. Okay, phagocytes are the cells which eat up the pathogens. Second type of cells are helper cells. As their name is, these cells stimulate the production of antibodies by lymphocytes, B lymphocytes. Okay. And third type of T cell is suppressor cell. They also play very important role because these cells suppress entire immune system, keeping it away from attacking the own body cells. Now what is the meaning of these words or this statement? Means suppressor cells इम्यून सिस्टम को बचाती हैं, कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि ये सेल्स अपनी ही सेल्स को मारना शुरू कर दे, ओके, और इम्यून सिस्टम ही डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाए, ओके, ऐसा हो सकता है, इसीलिए ये सप्रेसर सेल जो है ये इम्यून सिस्टम को बचा कर रखती हैं, ओके. So, and one important thing, that some of the T cells, they also become memory cells. Okay, so these are the three types of T cells. Now, what is the difference between B cells and the T cells? So, there is difference in their mode of action. B cells, these are developed from the stem cells. So same is in case of T cells as well. They are also developed from the stem cells, but difference is that B cells are differentiated in the bone marrow. Okay, why its name is B cells? B cells name because of these cells are differentiated in the bone marrow. So this B is there. In the same way, T cells are differentiated in the thymus. So this T is taken. So this is the T. Okay. And B cells, they form the humoral immune system, whereas the T cells form the cell mediated immune system. Okay. And B cells, they divide to form clone of plasma cells, whereas T cells, they divide to form the clone of T cells like killer T cells, helper T cells and suppressor cells. Okay, and B cells, when they produce the clone of plasma cells, so these plasma cells produce specific antibodies, and whereas in the T cells, killer T cells secrete some chemicals at the site of infection which attracts the phagocytes. Okay, so these are the differences between B cell and the T cell. Okay, thank you, and more topics I will cover in the next video.